Are you thinking of starting an online business but you don't know where to start? Now, I don't blame you because it could be confusing and overwhelming when it comes to starting an online business. There's so many options and so much noise on the internet. But let me keep it simple for you. When it comes to starting an online business, you have two options. Either you sell a service or you sell a product. When you're selling a service, you're selling your expertise, you're selling your skill sets. When you're selling a product, it could be a digital product, intangible, right? Like a software, or it could be a physical product, something that you could sell through an e-commerce store. It's that simple. Now, when it comes to starting a business, the three most important questions you need to ask before you do anything is this. Number one, does it have high profit margins? Why margins are so critical? Think about this. If you sell a product for $10 and it costs you $8 to get or to create or to buy, you have a $2 profit margins. Well, that is going to be very, very challenging when it comes to scaling your business. Why? Because you only got $2 for each unit to pay for people, to pay for your traffic source, to pay for marketing. On the other hand, if you buy something for $2 and you sell it for $10, now wouldn't you agree, comment below, that your margin, your profit margin is a lot better? You see, business is a game of margins, not volume. Just because you're doing a lot of transactions and volume, it doesn't mean that you're making a good profit. So the good old concept of buy low and you want to sell high, it makes sense, doesn't it? So that's the first question. Does it have good profit margins? The second question you have to ask before you start anything is, are they actively looking for solutions? Your potential prospects, your potential clients and customers, are they actively looking to buy what you have to offer? Now, how do you know, are they actually proactively looking to buy what you have to sell? What you don't want to do is, well, I think they are interested. I think people will love this, right? My mom likes it. My wife likes it. My husband likes it. Well, that's not good. Are they searching for these type of products online? If you checked the keywords, are people searching for these type of products and needs and solutions online? It's much easier to sell something that they're already looking for versus trying to create that demand. Because there are two types of demands. You have existing demand and you have created demand. It's always easier to create something that has an existing demand. You don't need to convince and tell people why they need it. They already know why they need it. They're just looking for the best options to buy. Question number three, and it's the most important question of all, and that is it on trend? Is it on trend? Now imagine if you are selling a CD, and it may be a great CD. Now for some, you're watching, you don't even know what a CD is. It's what people used to listen to for music, right? They listen to songs on a CD. But nowadays, we listen on iTunes, on through MP3 or online. We don't buy CDs anymore. It's not on trend. So you want to sell something that's actually on trend, that you know that this is taking off, a lot of people are searching for it, and also it has good profit margins that you can buy low and sell high. And one of the options that you could use is to go to Alibaba.com, and you can see there are billions, literally billions of products that you could choose from.
Alibaba.com has tens of thousands of manufacturers. You can talk directly with those manufacturers without any middleman in between. That means you get the products with the lowest price and make the highest profit margin. You'll actually see a section called Trend Hunter. You see exactly what products are trending, what products are popular. You want to ride that trend. Products under that section are recommended through Alibaba's entire data points, and it's designed to help you to find the winning products easily.
And you can look through those and you can find the ideal products that resonate with you. Maybe a niche, a category that you're interested in. Start small. pick a couple products, get it going, and learn the game. As you market better, you learn the e-commerce game. As you are gaining experience, then you'll say, hey, let me buy more and more products. So Alibaba.com is a great option, and it doesn't matter if it's a product business or a service business. If you're serious about starting your online business and you want to take control of your own destiny, my advice is this: you don't have to get it right, you just have to get it going.